Okay, so today we're gonna make brown butter mushroom spaghetti. So first of all, the ingredients that we need here are some cooked spaghetti. This is about 400 grams of spaghetti boiled and cooked. And here we have some roasted American breadcrumbs. This is about half a cup. And here we have 2 sprigs of spring onions, finely chopped, some dried thyme leaves. So we'll need about 2 teaspoons of this dried thyme leaves. And here we have 10 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. And this is about 8 tablespoons of butter. And here we have about 10 shiitake mushrooms, finely sliced. So first of all, we need to heat up our wok and make sure it's really hot so that it would brown the butter. So pour in all of the butter. Make sure it melts and let it slightly brown. Now that the butter has slightly browned, we can insert our chopped garlic. Stir fry until it is fragrant. So once you see the garlic has started to brown a little, you can insert your mushrooms and thyme leaves here. So now our garlic has browned, so we can insert our 2 teaspoons of thyme leaves. Give it a good stir. And our sliced mushrooms. Right, so be sure to stir fry the mushrooms until they are slightly brown and cooked on both sides. Right, so we just leave it to fry on its own on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so now that our mushroom has browned, we can insert 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a good stir, and next we can insert our pepper. Here's about 6 dashes of white pepper. Give it a good stir and we can turn the stove off. Okay, next we will insert the spaghetti. Here we'll insert the spaghetti now. This is the 400 grams of spaghetti that we have boiled earlier. Alright, so now we just give it a good stir to make sure that they are all well combined. Now at this point you can taste for salt. If it's not salty enough, you can add on a bit more salt, or you can just sprinkle some melted butter on top of the spaghetti to make sure that the saltiness is to your taste.